You're not a dog. You're not a dog. No. See?
Oh, so cool.
Hi guys, welcome to Unpg. Do you love babies? This channel is for you. Now let's get it. Silly.
Oh no, you're getting wet. Can you flex? Oh man, let's see those muscles. You're funny.
Are you having fun? You are. No, I don't think you need to put that in your mouth.
Oh.
You okay?
Can you get the remote or the water? Can you get it?
Yeah, I can do it.
Oh.
This is how Hunter feels about drinking water.
Oh. What?
Okay.
What are you doing?
Spray Jake. Give me. Did you get yourself?
You want to grab her?
Let's go. You okay?
Hello.
Hi.
Blue. Yeah, it's blue. But then this one, pink.
What's funny?
What is it?
And it's watermelon.
Watermelon?
Yeah.
Watermelon.
Open. Open.
Nope.
Oh. She likes it. Strong baby. More?
Whoa.
Oh my god. It's not food, baby.
Go.
Oh. Oh. Let's go. Oh. Cute. Oh. Balloon.
What are you doing? Whoa!
Oh.
Run,
Are you okay? Are you? Oh my god.
He's stuck.
Christopher. Christopher.
Oh, daddy. Are you thirsty?
You're okay, you're okay. She wants it right in her face.
He's scared.
Come on, Julia, go grab the water. Grab the water with your hand. Uh-oh.
Are you okay?
Well, Hattie, are you upset? Yeah, what'd you do? Look at me.
Upstairs?
Did you turn that water on while you're in the sink?
Oh. Dance? Ooh. Are you washing your hands? He's swimming. Cute.
Try again. Hey!
Oh.
Thanks for coming. If you like this video, remember to like and share. Goodbye.